What's up guys, Dan here and welcome to a new channel. Today we're going to be ranking total drama characters from what I love to what I hate. Right, let's just get straight into this. Beth. I feel like she's a good character, but I feel like she could be better, and I don't know, I just feel like she's neutral because she just isn't really in it a lot. She's not a big character. Season 2 she makes it second place, but she doesn't really do a lot. Eva, mixed feelings, like not really a lot to say about Eva. Anger issues, and she's hardly in it. Blaney, yet again, mixed feelings. She's annoying. And she's just selfish and thinks she's the best. But I'm going to put her behind Eva because I feel like Eva, she's alright. She's good at the actual game, so I think she's in front of Blaney. Chris, that's easy. For the ones I love, I'm just going to do my favourites. I'm not going to do it like, say like someone else was in love, I'll put them above. They're all my favourites. That's what I'm doing. Beardo. Again, mixed feelings. Or do I dislike him? No, mixed feelings. He's just... It's Beardo. Like, he's quite annoying. And it doesn't help, that's the thing. I might have to put him in dislike. Right, I'm going to make him the first one in dislike because there's not been a lot there. B, also known as Beverly. I'm going to put him in front of Beth, just because he was good, but then Scott is the one that made him go out. So I feel like he would have made it not too much further in the game, but a bit further. Right, moving on, we've got Chef. I think he's good. Like, he's not as good as Chris, and he's not my favourite, but he's really good. So I'll just put him there. The personalities. I'm going to put him at front because I just like Chester. He's funny. And yeah, that's it really. He's just funny, but you know, there's no other reason. Cody. I'm going to put him in front of Chef. I really like Cody. But with... I'm just thinking he got a bit mean in World Tour. No, it's fine. Courtney, not bad. First one there. Like, she's a good character, she's good at the game. It's just... she's quite bossy. She's pretty mean. And, like, well, that's it really. Bossy, pretty mean, good at the game. That's it. So she's not bad, but, like, she's not in the good area either. Right, Crimson. Neutral in front of Beth. It's just, she just doesn't really fit total drama. Just like Ennui. Which is here, so we'll get to it in a bit. Dakota! She's just annoying, and like, just really annoying. Dave. He was good until he got mad. He's either here. No, he's either here or here. I'm going to put him here because he was good for most of the season. But at the end, he wasn't that good of a character. But comment down below where you would put Dave. Like, it doesn't have to be in these two. You can put him anywhere. So, well, to be honest, put everyone. Well, you don't have to put everyone, but at least put one person. I want to see what you guys think. Dawn. She's alright. In front of Beth. It's just, she's quite weird. And that's it, really. But she's kind, so yeah. And Maria. top of dislike. She's just quite annoying. How like she's selfish really, but in a bad way, not like an actual entertaining way. Like obviously I like everyone, but out of these guys, no, she's not that good. Right. Moving on, Devin. I really like Devin. I'm going to put him just behind Cody. He's nice. He can be a bit dumb. That's it really. There's not really like cons about him. DJ, one of my favourites. He's just really kind, loves animals like me. I just really like DJ. Alejandro, another one of my favourites. He's really good at the game. And he's manipulative, which is good. And yes, he's pretty mean, but it's like an entertaining way. So yeah, 3 favourites so far. 0 hates. Chet. I really like Chet. I'm going to put him in front of Chef behind Devin. Because he's really good. It's just that when they were fighting, it's just they weren't the best duo, Chet and Lorenzo. We'll get to Lorenzo in a bit. Hang on, actually, where is Lorenzo? It's fine, we won't look for him now. Right, Brick. I like Brick. He's going to be behind Chef because I like his character, but he kind of lets stuff get in his way. So that kind of gets him eliminated, like his code. So yeah, I'm just going to put him there, but I do like him. Cameron, he's not bad in front of Courtney. He's nice, but it's just like, it's a bit awkward. I don't know how we made it to the finale in season 4 and won it against Lightning. Kind of weird. I was hoping Lightning would win, but can't always win. Right, Bridget. She's in front of Cameron because, like, she's a good character and all, but, like, she has more potential because in her challenges, sometimes she's really good, but sometimes she just really screws it up. So that's why I'm going to have to put her in not bad. Right. Kerry. She's good. Probably behind Brick. She's nice. It's just she was a bit mean to Devin at points. So yeah, I'm gonna put her there. But she is a good character. Don. I like him. I'm gonna put him there. Thing is, like, I'm kind of sad Chris was replaced for Don. Oh, by the way, in a Redonkulous Race, Chris is in it. Might make a video about that, like Easter eggs in Redonkulous Race, but we're doing this for now. So, he's good, and he's like kind of the same role as Chris. He's like mean and he's quite selfish, but he's not as good as Chris. Chris has like some really fresh stuff, and I feel like Redonkulous Race was just world tour all over again because they went to similar places, and I wasn't really a fan of the two, like the duos instead of the 2 or 3 teams. It's just he could have been better, so I'm just gonna put him there behind Chef. Duncan, another one of my favourites. I mean, to be honest, if you look at my channel name, Total Drama Duncan. I mean, not much to say. He's just really good character. Dwayne. Not bad. Behind Courtney. It's just it's quite awkward when he was trying to act cool. So, and it kind of messed Junior and him up. So, yeah, it was just quite awkward, and it was, dunno, it was just quite awkward. That's it, really. So that's why I'm putting him in there. Ella, right? Finally, we're going back down. Mixed feelings, really. Probably in front of Dave. It's just she's just annoying, really. Elodie, just not much to say. Nerd, that's it. She's just quite annoying. Emma, I actually like Emma, but at the start of the season she was quite mean to Kitty, so I'm actually going to put her there. Go forward to there. And on. Yeah, okay, there we go. Right. Emma, she was just quite mean to Kitty at the start, but she is a good character, so I'm just going to put her there. Really like her, though. Right, Ennui. Where's Crimson? Probably just in front of Crimson. He, like, I feel like in the season, he's a bit more happier than Ennui. He has more happier moments. Than Crimson. Ennui has more happier moments than Crimson, so I just feel like he's not a lot better, though. That's the only reason. Right. Ezekiel. I actually really like Ezekiel. Like, especially when he turns into the mutant Ezekiel, which I just like. And his normal version is good as well. Not really much to say, though. It is Ezekiel. Jeff. Right. So season 1, I'd put him here. Season 2, because of like the season 2 when he's actually in it, there, and then the aftermath, there, but then Redonkulous Race probably just in front of Chef. No, Redonkulous Race probably about here. But then all the cons I have to put all together, so I'm behind or in front of Chef. I'm gonna put him in front of Chef because he has more pros and cons. But put your comments down below if you think I should move him behind. Brody. I feel like they're as good as each other. Can't really make my mind up. Yeah, they're just as good as each other. I don't really mind where they go. Both same, but Brody doesn't have any cons, but he's only in one season, so he won't really have any cons. Right. I think this is either J or P. Oh, which one? They weren't in it long. I keep on forgetting. I think this is Jerry. Yeah, this is Jerry. Jerry. He's just quite annoying. He is just annoying. Gwen. I like Gwen. Put her probably just in front of Brick. She's good. She made it far. I'm just thinking when she broke up with Trent, that was pretty brutal. But then she has a lot of good seasons. And what to do? No, I'll leave her there. She's a good character. Harold. Not bad. Probably behind Bridget. He's just he can be quite annoying. Amy. Mixed feelings there. She's just mean, that's why. Heather. There. She is really good. She's really good at the game. She always makes it far. Except for season 2. She didn't do so well in season 2 or season 5. But season 2 was a legit one, and season 5 was because Alejandro stole her immunity idol. But she's really good, so I'm going to put her there. Izzy. Crazy, but good. Just in front of Don. Not really a lot to say about Izzy. Jacques. Probably in front of Chef. He's obviously really good at the game. Entertaining. It's just at the first time I watched Redonkulous Race, I wasn't really rooting for Jacques. So, yeah. Jasmine. Good, probably just there. It's just she's really mean to Sean at parts in Park 2 Island, so yeah. Jay. He's good, probably about there. Actually, yeah, there. Like, they're funny because of all their, like, you know, like, all the, like, rare diseases and stuff like that they have. It's just entertaining. I'm just gonna quickly find Mickey and just put them together. There we go. Mickey, put them together. Both really good, both same explanation. Jen. She really isn't that good. I'm just gonna put her mixed feelings there. No, there. She's not great. She's just really, she's quite annoying, and she's always changing her attitude, really, like to Tom, which is it's just kind of weird, really. Jo. I like Jo. I'm going to put her in front of Emma because she did really well until Cameron backstabbed her. It's just the only thing, like, that pulls her back is just she wasn't a fan of Lightning. So, yeah. Jose. Same as Jacques. Both the same. Don't really care where they go. Both ruled it. Both just good duo. Both the same. This guy that I never learnt the name of. Hey, he's just doesn't really fit in, does he? Junior. Just in front of Dwayne, really. Like, they're similar. It's just he would be, if it was like normal Total Drama, where it is kind of like every man for themselves, then Junior would do better than Dwayne. Yeah, that's really it though. Justin. I actually really like Justin. I feel like he's underrated. I'm going to put him in front of Gwen. Like, he does pretty well in season 2. Not so much season 1, but season 2 he does pretty well. And he's just quite funny. Like, not himself funny. Just, he doesn't know he's being funny. Katie. She's not bad. Probably about there. She's just quite annoying. Kitty. Where's Emma? Just in front of Emma, really. Both the same. Yeah, that's it, really. Kelly. I don't really like Kelly. She's just annoying, really. She's not great. Yeah, she's not great. I never remember her name. I can't remember her name for some reason. And I really don't like her. I'm gonna put her like just in front of Kelly. She's not good. Leonard. I used to think his name was Leonard, which was kind of dumb, but Leonard, I know his name now. Well, I've known his name for ages, but you know. Mixed feelings. Wow, there, he's just quite funny, really. Lashana. Another original. I really like Lashana, probably just in front of Gwen, behind Justin. It's just when she gets mad, things can get a bit feisty. Lightning, one of my favourites. Just really good at the game, funny, dumb. I like the way I like them. Lindsay, like, about top neutral. She's not amazing. Actually, no. What am I doing? You need to go all the way down there. Okay, there we go. She's just not great, really. I feel like she could be way better. And lip gloss, really? That's all she wants. Lorenzo. Now, where is Chet? Probably same. I don't really care where they go. Same playstyle. It's just that they hated each other at the beginning. MacArthur. I like MacArthur. I'm going to put right here. Just behind Jock and Jose. I feel like these three are all drawing. So I'm just going to put her there. Because if I'm just going to get Sanders here. I'm just going to get Sanders and put her in front because I like her more and it just makes sense if they're together. But these three are all in a three-way tie. So they're not ranked really. Right, Mao. The other personalities, same really. Another personality. Mary. Oh, there. She's not good. Same as Elodie, but a bit worse. Max. Mixed feelings about there. He's just kind of annoying, really. Mike, one of my favourites. Obviously, his personalities are my favourites. It's just there'll be way too many in the favourite column. So I'm just going to put them there. The other one I didn't learn the name of. Better than this one though. Because she doesn't get as angry. Oh. Noah! I like Noah. I'm going to put him in front of Lashana. Mostly because of the Redonkulous race and World Tour. He wasn't that good in Season 1. Owen! One of my favourites. Goofball. He's dumb. Wait, they're the same thing. He's funny. And he's somehow good at the game. I'm going to put these guys together. So, I thought that would connect. Whatever. Yeah. Pete, same as Jerry. Jerry and Pete, not very good. Just don't really like them. Rock, finally, another good one. Probably about here. I really like Rock. He's just funny, really. Rodney, and he's a bit dumb. Rodney, mixed feelings about there. He can't get his words out, really. I don't really understand him. So yeah, I don't really like him that much. Oh my god, why can't I think of your name? Oh, I'm going so dumb right now. Oh my god. Ryan, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was weird. Right, Ryan, probably in front of Chef. I really like him. He's just good at the game. And he's had a couple funny moments. Sadie, just behind Katie. I don't really mind. They're as bad as each other. Not really that good. Sammy, or she would want to be called Sammy, but I guess she's known as Sammy. Again, she's not very good, really. Sam, I like Sam. I'm probably just gonna put him here. He's pretty dumb, pretty funny, but he's not very good at the game, really. Scarlett, again, mixed feelings just when she got evil. Scott, good. I actually really like Scott. I'm going to put him in front of Joe. He can be funny. I like it when he's like, the sea pig ate it. That was funny. Yeah, it was just quite funny. I like Scott. Sean. Right, where's Jasmine? I think he's just right. Damn it. Right, I'll put a brick down there. Actually, yeah, that's better, actually. Same, really. I don't really care where they go. I'm just going to put him there because he won. Sierra. Here. If she didn't start hating Chris, probably here, right behind Brooke, but she started hating Chris, so yeah, sorry, Sierra. Sky, right behind Beth. She was good until she got all mean and stuff like that, and competitive, like, too competitive. Spud, right in front of Rock. I just like him a little bit better. Stacey. Moving on. Stephanie, where is Ryan? Right behind Ryan. Same really, but I like Ryan just a little bit better. Sugar. Well, I mean, come on now. It is just Sugar. She's quite useless, but she's had some funny moments. So I'm gonna put her there. Svetlana. Put her there. Slash him. Tammy. Yeah. Not really a lot to say. She's not that good. Taylor. About there. She's just really annoying and spoiled, which I don't like. Tom. He's alright. Put him there. He's not that good though, that's the thing. Hang on, I'm just going to make some adjustments. That there, Harold there, and then there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Tom is he's not that good, but he's alright. Topher. If he stayed liking Chris, he would be here. But because he even tried to get rid of Chris, he's all the way down here. Sorry. Okay, no, he's not all the way down there. He's probably like the front of this slide. But sorry, Topher. Brought up himself. Trent, one of my favourites. He's just really good again. Same, all of these ones as well. Tyler, I actually really like Tyler. I'm going to put him in front of Kerry. Because he's quite dumb. He's a bit dumb. And he's just had some good moments. Theo, with the other personalities. And Zoe, the final one is Zoe. I'm gonna put her here because she's kind and she's just good at the game. I'm just gonna do that real quick. So yeah, I like Zoe. So what do you think about the actual table, like the actual tier list? If you disagree, put it in the comments. I would want to know, and maybe make your own. And you put the link in the comments, and I can check out yours. What I want to do, I just want to check out a couple. But first of all, I'll just show you these, just real quick. Give you a couple of seconds. You can pause the video if you want. And you can see those ones as well. Give you 10 more seconds. Alright. So, I'm going to do view community rank. And I think this shows me other people's. Or does it not? Oh. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh no, please don't play. Pause that. I don't really care. Can we move that? Or get rid of it? Oh, there we go. Right, so... okay, right. I'm gonna agree on Alejandro, Duncan, Owen, and DJ. Harold... yeah, no. I don't think Harold should go there. Yeah, no. Chris, no, shouldn't be going there. Trent all the way down there. Oh my god. Mike all the way down there as well. Lightning all the way down here. Oh my god. Why is Jacques is all the way down here? Oh my god. Has he got... oh, then again, I guess I guess people are kind of like that. Yeah. Oh my god, Showtail's all the way down here. God, why is Rock there? Why is Spud here? Oh my god, this is... oh my god. This is so weird. Chet's all the way down here. Lorenzo all the way down here. I don't know if this was ordered. I don't think it was. Like, for these parts. And then, yeah, okay, I agree with this one. For hate. Who else did I put in hate? Oh, I forgot now. Oh, that's annoying. I'll look through here. There's no way the one I hate is all the way up here. Or was it Stacey? Oh no, it was Stacey, wasn't it? Oh yeah, it was Stacey I put in hate. I'm gonna see if they put any love, which I don't really like. No. What about here? Oh my god, Dawn's all the way up there. Oh my god. No, where's Brody? Oh my god, Brody's all the way down there. God. Might do another one. Here we go. Do this one. It's got all 93. Where is it? Wait, what? Guys, am I being dumb right now? Am I being dumb? Right there. Okay, here we go. Chris, I agree with. DJ, I agree with. Duncan, I agree with. Not really.
no, he shouldn't be down there, but yeah, he's really good. Get rid of that. Okay. Ezekiel again, really far down. Mike, all the way that far down. And Rock. God. Wait, where's Spud then? Wait. Hang on. Where's Spud? Oh no, what? Why is lightning here? Oh my god. Why would you? Really? I hate him. Brody's all the way down here. And Jay. My god, where's Mickey then? Wait, what? You hate Don? Really? He's not that bad. I know he's not as good as Chris, but he's not that bad. God. Right, I feel like that's enough looking at these. Getting quite mad at them. But I hope you like this video. It's just a starter to my channel. I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribed. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!